In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Tableau. Whether you're looking to add a visual calendar to track data or just want to improve your Tableau skills, this tutorial will walk you through every step. So, let's get started. First, you need to open your Tableau public app. This is where all the magic begins. Once you have the app open, navigate to your worksheet. If you're not familiar with where your worksheets are located, simply look for the tabs that usually appear at the bottom of the Tableau interface. Once you have your worksheet open, the next step involves managing your data filters. Start by dragging the Order Date field to the Filter option. You'll see a number of possibilities, but for this calendar exercise, we're focusing on a specific selection. Choose Month, Year, and hit Next. Now that you've set your date parameters, let's specify the time frame. Select a particular year, for instance, December 2019. This selection will serve as the foundation for the calendar you're about to create. Continue by dragging Order Date to the columns. Here you'll need to adjust the data type to weekday. This way, each of the columns represents a day of the week. Next, bring Order Date to the rows, but this time transform it into week number. This step organizes your data into weekly increments, helping you structure the calendar. Adjust the view for an optimal display, switching to entire view. This ensures you can see your developing calendar in its full glory on the screen. To make your calendar visually informative, let's add some color. Go ahead and drag Profit to the Marks card, applying it to the Color section. This color coding provides a quick visual cue about your profit data over time. Following this, you'll want to enhance the detail of your calendar by dragging Order Date to the Text option. For best results, change this text format to Day, giving each cell in your calendar an individual date marker. Next, refine the alignment by clicking on the Text option, adjusting your preferences as desired. Once you have your text aligned, shift the chart type to square. This step will help your calendar take on its characteristic grid-like appearance. To keep things tidy, right-click on the axis and choose the option to hide the header. This will give your calendar a clean, minimalist look. Enhance your interactive experience by dragging Order Date to the tooltip. Click on the tooltip and remove all the text except for Order Date and Profit. This ensures viewers get just the right amount of information on hover. Then make your data filtering skillful by clicking on Order Date in the filters and selecting Show Filter. Finally, head to the Legend section and opt for a single value drop-down. This feature allows you to filter your calendar view by different metrics easily. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've created a visually compelling calendar in Tableau. Thanks for watching and happy data visualizing.